Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. In today's video I will be showing you how to make this simple Spongebob cake deco in just 5 minutes. Over here I have my layered cakes and my yellow buttercream because Spongebob is yellow, right? Okay, I will be using 5 layers of cake flavored vanilla and strawberry. And this is just me filling them up. Also, I like to trim off my cake just to make it straight and to remove the brown edges. After trimming it off, I will be crumb coating it. Okay, the way I crumb coat my cake is by putting a very thin layer of buttercream to just catch up those cake crumbs and put them in place. I do not fill a lot of buttercreams during my crumb coating. I just find it easier and faster that way. So I will be cleaning my cake board also. And then pop this into the fridge not. Okay, the reason why I put a thin layer of crumb coat is just so I can immediately put on my final layer of buttercream immediately without popping it into the fridge. So when you put on a thin layer of crumb coat, you can immediately cover your cake with the final layer of buttercream immediately without putting it into the fridge. So after that, I will just smoothen it up and fill up the holes and re-smoothing it up again. So this is just a process of me smoothing up this cake and making it look fine. After this, I will be popping this into the fridge so it is completely freezed to the touch. After that, I will be using this simple tool to make my sponge holes on the cake. So what I do is, as I do this, I also clean my tool so as to give these holes a good finishing. Look at this. And also look at the amount of tissue I used. So keep that aside and bring in your face and hand. I am using a printed face and hand, which is also paper. So for that, I need to put fondant underneath it because I am using paper. And no worries, I do tell my clients if I'm using just plain paper and not edible paper, I do tell them not to eat it. And of course, they are not gonna eat it, right? They wouldn't try eating it. So you need to put fondant underneath your paper, be it a butter icing cake or a fondant cake. And for the hands, I will be layering it with 2 layers of fondant. So after this first layer, I will be putting on another layer of fondant just because I will be sticking in a bamboo skewer in between. Also because I will be fixing this separately and not putting it on top of the cake, like flatly on top of the cake like the face. This will be by the sides of the cake. Either way, let this solidify. You can do this like a day before. And then from this process onward, I am just fixing in my paper. Look at that. The face and the hands look so happy. And then also I have these cute cake toppers I made myself with paper also. Wow, and that makes a complete Spongebob cake. We can see the whole family of bikini bottom right on this cake. This made my client very happy, being that my client is also my nephew. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. And also don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And being that this cake is for my nephew, I got the opportunity to make it naked and slice it open so you all can see it. So this is just literally how you can remove your toppers and the papers on your cake. and slice it open to see the beauty. Oh my god, I am liking this vanilla and strawberry texture. It looks good. Also, do not forget to check the description box down below for more details. Thank you for watching. See you next time.